Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the alarm volume on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you notice that the alarm sound isn't loud enough for your preference, in today's tutorial I should have a solution for you. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and select the setting gear button, and then you want to select sound and vibration. And then there should be an area underneath audio will play on in this general category versus all alarm volume. If you want to make the alarm volume louder, you can drag it to the right. Otherwise, you can make it quieter by dragging it to the left. So pretty straightforward process. Play around with it, see what works best for your preferences. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.